What if the moon isn't just a celestial body, but a massive artificial satellite built by an unknown civilization? Picture this. Every night, you're gazing at an alien outpost disguised as a natural object. Sounds like the plot of a sci-fi blockbuster, but what if it's true? The peculiarities of the moon's orbit, its mysterious structure, and inexplicable coincidences make you wonder, is someone watching us from its surface? Today, we'll unravel the moon's secrets and explore the theory that it's an extraterrestrial creation. Don't look away, because what you'll discover might upend your understanding of the cosmos. Let's start with a simple question. What do we know about the moon? It's Earth's closest companion, inspiring poets, scientists, and dreamers for centuries. But the more we study it, the more questions arise. The moon seems too perfect to be just a cosmic rock. Its orbit, size, and even composition raise suspicions. Some scientists and conspiracists are convinced the moon isn't a natural body, but an artificial construct, possibly crafted by an advanced alien civilization. But how could this be possible? The first oddity is the moon's orbit. It's nearly perfectly circular, which is extremely rare for natural satellites. Most satellites in our solar system, like those of Jupiter or Saturn, have elliptical orbits. The moon, however, follows a path as if someone precisely calculated it. In 2009, astronomers noted that the moon is positioned at a distance where it always shows Earth the same face. This phenomenon, called tidal locking, occurs elsewhere, but it feels suspiciously convenient. Why do we never see the moon's far side? Could someone be hiding its true nature from us? Another mystery is the moon's size. It's unusually large for a satellite of a planet Earth size. In the solar system, satellites are typically much smaller than their host planets, but the moon is a quarter of Earth's diameter. This makes our planet and its satellite resemble a double system more than a typical pair. In 2005, scientists suggested the moon formed after Earth collided with another planet billions of years ago. But this theory, known as the giant impact hypothesis, doesn't explain all anomalies. For instance, why does the moon have so little iron compared to Earth? Its core is too small for a natural satellite. Now let's talk about the moon's composition. When Apollo mission astronauts brought back lunar soil in 1969, scientists were stunned. The samples contained rare metals, like titanium, in amounts uncommon on Earth. Even more puzzling, some rocks were older than Earth's most ancient formations. How is that possible? In 2012, geochemists found that the moon's crust has an odd density, as if the moon is hollow or contains voids. This sparked a wild theory. What if the moon is a colossal space station? The idea that the moon is an artificial object first surfaced in 1960, when Soviet scientists Mikhail Vasin and Alexander Sherbakov published a paper suggesting it's an alien spacecraft. They pointed to its peculiar density and orbit, as well as the fact that the moon rings like a bell when struck by meteorites. In 1968, when an Apollo probe dropped a module onto the moon's surface, seismometers recorded vibrations lasting nearly an hour. That's unusual for a solid body, but typical for a hollow structure. Could the moon be a shell concealing alien technology? Another intriguing detail is the moon's craters. They look odd. Regardless of size, their depth is almost uniform, as if something prevents meteorites from penetrating deeper. In 2010, astronomers suggested there might be a layer of incredibly strong material, possibly artificial, beneath the moon's crust. This fuels the theory that the moon is an armored satellite designed to protect internal mechanisms. But why would anyone create such a moon? One hypothesis suggests aliens placed it in Earth's orbit to monitor humanity. The moon could be a surveillance station, a base for experiments, or even a tool to guide our civilization's development. In 2015, ufologists noted that ancient texts, like Sumerian myths, described the moon as a newcomer in the sky. Did our ancestors witness its arrival? Other theories propose the moon stabilizes Earth's axis, making our climate habitable. If so, its presence isn't random, but part of a plan. What if the moon is more than a station? What if it's a weapon? Some conspiracists believe it can influence Earth's processes, like tides or even human behavior. In 2017, psychologists found that full moons correlate with a spike in strange incidents, from accidents to outbursts of aggression. Is this a myth, or does the moon emit signals affecting our minds? If it's artificial, its technology could be far beyond our comprehension. Now, the far side of the moon. It's always hidden from us, sparking suspicion. In 1959, the Soviet Luna 3 probe captured the first images of the far side, and they surprised scientists. There were fewer craters but more peculiar structures, which some call towers or domes. In 2019, China's Chang'e 4 rover found a mysterious gel-like substance on the far side that defied explanation. Could these be traces of alien activity? But there are scientific counter-arguments. Many astronomers argue the moon's oddities can be explained naturally. In 2006, NASA researchers stated that the moon's low density is due to its volcanic past, not a hollow structure. Its orbit and size, they claim, result from Earth's unique formation. The ringing effect might stem from the moon's dry soil, which poorly absorbs impacts. Yet, even these explanations don't answer every question. Why does the moon seem so perfectly suited for observing Earth? Another enigma is the lunar anomalies astronomers detect. In 2011, telescopes spotted brief flashes of light on the moon, known as transient lunar phenomena. Some attribute them to meteorites, but others see signs of activity, perhaps functioning mechanisms. In 2020, scientists recorded odd magnetic fields on the moon that don't align with its geology. Are these remnants of an ancient core or evidence of artificial technology? If the moon is an alien satellite, who built it? One theory suggests it was created by a long-vanished advanced civilization. Another posits that aliens are still there, watching from the far side. In 2023, ufologists claimed images from the James Webb Telescope showed antenna-like structures on the moon. Officially, these were dismissed as distortions, but doubts linger. Are we that close to the truth? What if the moon shapes our destiny? Its presence makes Earth unique, sustaining life. But if it's artificial, its creators might have programmed it for a specific purpose. In 2022, philosophers suggested the moon could be part of an experiment, with humanity as the subjects. It's unnerving, but it explains why we find no trace of other civilizations. Perhaps we're isolated in their laboratory. Proof is scarce, but the clues are gripping. The moon is too perfect for a natural satellite. Its orbit, composition, and structure raise questions. Anomalies, flashes, and strange discoveries hint at something more. In 2020, astronomer Avi Loeb urged serious study of the moon's potential artificial origins. He believes the truth may be closer than we think. So, what do we do with this theory? Some call for new lunar missions to explore the far side. Others say we must look to space for other such satellites. But one thing is certain. The moon holds secrets that could reshape our understanding of the universe. If it's artificial, every night we're staring at proof of extraterrestrial existence. The truth is out there, waiting for us to ask the right questions. If you love such mysteries, if you want to uncover secrets that turn the world upside down, this channel is for you. Subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with friends. Together, we'll crack the greatest enigmas. In our next video, we'll dive into another mystery that will make you see the cosmos anew. See you soon, truth seekers.